Yesterday, day before yesterday, we had a hurricane. Today, we're having a thunderstorm, if you can hear that.
And it is not good, believe me or not. I'm just scared to death myself. I'm just so scared.
And I think the rain is coming, but I'm not sure.
Who are you talking to?
My camera.
Who do you think, Grandma?
Look at the clouds.
We're just talking to
It's really weird. Look,
I know.
I wish I could show y'all the front. And I think
This is your weather for today. There's going to be a few showers. And
okay, I'm over that. The hurricane's over. And
the hurricane is now over.
we're starting to have a little wind.
It
You can
is not
see that.
good. And it does not look good.
A little bit of wind. And I think the rain is on its way because I can kind of see it's kind of foggy in the distance. And so
And that means
the rain is probably going to be here in a few seconds. Look at the pool. Look at the pool. Please stop. And I can no longer see the trees over there. So that's probably not a good sign. And if you can see the trees over there, they're not really, there it goes. Now it's raining.
Really?
We'll show you the pool. And it is not really so bad. Okay, it's getting there. Yeah, it's there. I don't know if you can see the pool and see the rain that's in the pool. But this is kind of like not what we need right now. You kind of see it over the field. It's a good one. You see it over the field.
This is some crazy rain.
And it's like not letting up. It sounds like it's getting harder and harder. You can kind of see it that way.
You can
see the tree behind our thing. Wind's not too bad.
What is that? Hail.
Oh my God, it's hailing.
Please don't go.
And we are outside. It is like pity size. Big old ice. I don't know if you can see it. But it's huge. It is like baseball size. Crap, get in. It is. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God, it is huge.